Today I'm making brownie batter dip. First I'm going to do some prep work, so I'm going to add 1 cup of brownie mix into a bowl and then put this in the microwave until it reaches 160 degrees. Next, in a large bowl I have a half a block of softened cream cheese. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of marshmallow fluff. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Then I'm going to add the 1 cup of brownie mix that I heat treated earlier. Next, I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Then I'm going to add a half a container of whipped topping and mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a tray and a bowl. I'm going to add the brownie batter dip into the bowl. Then I'm going to sprinkle some mini chocolate chips on top. Next, I'm going to add some dippers. I'm going to add some strawberries. Then I'm going to add some Oreos. Lastly, I'm going to add some pretzel sticks. Here's an up close look at the brownie batter dip.